Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to time track in Notion. This is perfect for monitoring how long you spend on projects, tracking billable hours, or simply understanding where your time goes throughout the day. Let's jump right in. First, navigate to your desired workspace in Notion using the sidebar menu. Once you're in the right workspace, look for the New Page option in the left sidebar and click it. This creates a fresh page where you'll build your time tracking system. Type a page name, something like Time Tracker, and press Enter. This names your page and sets up your workspace. Now here's where we build the actual tracker. Type /table and select Table View from the options that appear. This creates a database structure that's ideal for logging multiple time entries. You'll notice it comes with a default title column. Click on that column header and rename it to Task. This is where you'll enter what you're working on for each time entry. Next, click the plus button to add a new column, choose Date as the property type, and name it Start Time. This column will record when you begin each task. Click the plus button again, add another date property, and name this one End Time. These two columns work together to capture your time window. Now for the magic part, click the plus button once more, but this time select Formula as the property type. Name it Hours Spent. In the Formula field, paste this date between prop End Time, prop Start Time. Minutes sec 60. This formula calculates the difference between your end and start times in minutes, then converts it to hours by dividing by 60. It's what makes your tracker automatically calculate duration without manual math. Set the decimal places to 2 for clean, precise readings. You're all set up. Now when you fill in a task name, set both your start time and end time. Make sure to include the actual time, not just the date, and watch the hours spent column automatically calculate how long you worked. This gives you instant visibility into your time allocation. Thanks for watching.